There were protests on the streets of Paris as the far right took pole position in the parliamentary elections held on Sunday.
Mes chers compatriotes, la démocratie a parlé et les Français ont placé le Rassemblement national et ses alliés en tête et ont pratiquement effacé le bloc macroniste.
She's right. Macron's centrist coalition came in third with a vote share between 20 to 23%, while the hastily put together left alliance called the New Popular Front is second with 29%. With over 33% of the vote share, Marine Le Pen's National Rally was the clear winner of the first round of parliamentary elections in France. The far-right leader said it was the first time candidates from her party had won dozens of seats in the first round, a clear signal of winds of change. And she's urged her supporters to ensure that the coalition gets an absolute majority in the House of 577, so Jordan Bardella can become the Prime Minister. France follows a two-step election process. If candidates get over 50% of the vote share in the first round, they are elected. If not, the top two candidates head to the next round that will be held on the 7th of July. Sometimes the second round has 3 candidates depending on vote shares polled during round 1. But in practice, in France, left-leaning parties have dropped out of the race to consolidate the votes behind any candidate who can defeat the far-right coalition, which means they have dropped out of the race if they are in third place going into the second phase of polling. It's a plan the left will follow this time too.
Conformément à nos principes et à nos positions constantes dans toutes les élections précédentes, nulle part nous ne permettrons au RN de l'emporter, et c'est pourquoi, dans l'hypothèse où il serait arrivé en tête tandis que nous ne serions qu'en 3e position, nous retirerons notre candidature.
La leçon de ce soir, c'est que l'extrême droite est aux portes du pouvoir. Jamais dans notre démocratie, l'Assemblée nationale n'a risqué, comme ce soir, d'être dominée par l'extrême droite. Et donc, notre objectif est clair. Empêcher le Rassemblement national d'avoir une majorité absolue au second tour, de dominer l'Assemblée nationale et donc de gouverner le pays avec le projet funeste qui est le sien.
If this trend continues in the voting on the 7th of July, Gabriel Attal will lose his Prime Minister's post. A win for the anti-immigrant National Rally has got a mixed response from voters.
Nous sommes très heureux, on a mené une très belle campagne et je pense que voilà, on a le résultat de toute façon. Donc maintenant on espère qu'au deuxième tour, Jordan Bardella sera Premier ministre.
Mon ressenti, c'est que la gauche a eu raison de réussir à partir unie, que grâce à ça, l'extrême droite n'est pas si loin devant, trop. Et bien sûr, c'est inquiétant, mais ça nous remotive à partir en campagne et à faire en sorte que, certes, là, ils sont devant, la semaine prochaine, on sera devant.
I think that the public opinion are very tired of Macron power during 7 years of insults, of increasing immigration, increasing taxes, and now I think the French people have chosen the right way, the way of economically normalization, more and stronger borders, and more security in streets.
Je les vois avec beaucoup de peur, d'appréhension, et je me dis qu'il faut se mobiliser et réagir de demain parce que l'heure est grave.
France saw a higher turnout this election in contrast to the EU polls, the results of which saw Macron announce snap polls. Macron had taken a big gamble calling for these elections, taking even his own Prime Minister by surprise. Pollsters in France have got their predictions correct so far, but they are saying predicting the next leg accurately is not easy. The next 1 week will see hectic negotiations and campaigns that will decide if France's politics takes a hard right turn. For more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the like button and follow for more news updates.